Welcome to part 2 of the RC Wave programming video. In this section, I'll show you how to set the program. There are two versions of the RC Wave. This guide is for the newer model, which has a snowflake icon on the control panel. If your heater has a shutdown icon, it's the older version, so you'll need to check the link opposite to find out how to program it. Setting a program is the best way to ensure your home is always comfortable, without wasting energy. To access the program and time setting menu, press Snowflake until you can see the frost screen. Now hold down Snowflake until the screen changes to the programming screen. Again, you'll see the bars which allocate heating modes to hourly intervals. Each hour of each day of the week can be set to either Comfort, top bar, Economy, low bar, or Frost, no bar. The program starts on day 1, Monday. The buttons work a little differently in programming mode. Plus toggles the mode, Comfort, Economy, Frost protection. Minus moves you on to the next hourly interval without changing the mode. So we can stop and change the mode, or go all the way through the week without making any changes. Door moves you to the next hourly interval, whilst changing the mode to that of the previous hour. So this is useful for setting large blocks of the same mode and overwriting the previous mode. If you make a mistake, you can't go backwards, but it is easy to leave the program and skip back to where you were. All the programming you've set so far will be saved. Pressing Snowflake once will take you to the time setting screen. Pressing it again will take you back to the Frost screen. Hold down Snowflake until you return to the programming screen. Then use the minus key to skip back to where you made the mistake. Continue to set your program as per the previous steps, using the plus, minus, and door buttons. As you progress through the hours, the program will move from day 1 to day 2 to day 3, and so on. When you've programmed the final hour of the final day, the controller will move on to the time setting mode. First, the days of the week will flash. Use the plus and minus buttons to select the day, where 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, and so on. Press door to confirm. Now the hours will flash. Use plus and minus to adjust. And press door to confirm. Now the minutes will flash. Use plus and minus to adjust. And press door to confirm. To run the program, press Snowflake to return to heating modes and press door until you see the program screen. Now the heater will run as per your set program. With your RC Wave programmed, you should be good to go. However, if you want to use any of its advanced features, I recommend checking out part 3. Here I'll explain how to use the keypad lock, thermostat offset, and energy consumption meter.